What's up guys, Blended Tech here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be an unboxing and a review of a product. I'll do more of these if this video gets 10 likes. I'll do more of these or just want to comment. But make sure you guys like this video and subscribe with post notifications turned on so you never miss any of my future content and you'll be able to watch it right as it releases. So this video guys will be on the LE or Lighting Ever light bulbs. So these are Lampix light bulbs. They use the Lampix app. They're super good in my opinion. I have had no issues with these light bulbs for the past day. And yeah, let's get into the video guys and find out if these cheap RGB light bulbs are really worth it. Alrighty guys, so as I have said, we will be doing a video today on light bulbs. So this is kind of a smart home accessory. And these are the LE Lampix light bulbs. So these are smart bulbs. They will work with your voice assistants, which is a big deal in my opinion. And I picked these up for $45 on Amazon. They're a pretty good deal. That's Canadian, so US that's around $30 roughly. So you'll be able to pick these up for fairly cheap. And they're 4 light bulbs, so you're going to be able to light up a room at night really nicely with these light bulbs. They also work in white spectrum as well, so you're going to get warm and cool whites, which is a big deal as well. You're also getting 806 lumens out of these light bulbs, which is pretty bright. You're getting a really bright white and some brighter colors as well. These light bulbs are 9 watts and 5026 socket. It looks like just some basic information about their app as well that you need to download. QR code there. It's the LE Lampix app on Google Play Store and the App Store for Apple. Alrighty, so it looks like just basic packaging here for these light bulbs. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's your average 819 light bulb. It actually looks kind of like snow cone. They feel pretty durable for the price actually, so that's pretty good. $12 a bulb, so that's actually really good. Alright, so we get a thank you card. This is also support if you need it. Just their phone number. And there's also a pamphlet telling us what we need to do to install the light bulb. So it looks like we just need to download the app in the App Store or the Google Play Store and follow the steps on the app for the installation of the light bulb. Alright, I'll see you guys on the app. Alrighty, so when you're on the app guys, all you're going to need to do is register with an account. And when you're done that, you'll go to this page which will show you the 3 steps of what you need to get your light bulb to pair with your phone. So all you guys need to do is read off those steps, and you should be getting into a flicking light mode, and that way it will connect with your device. So when your light bulb starts to flick, all you guys need to do is go down to the bottom of the page and press it. So now you need to enter your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, as it does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. After entering your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network information in, you should come to this screen where it says connecting. This will connect to your light bulb, and when it is done, you'll be able to use all of the app's features and unlock your light bulb. So after the installation is complete, you will now be able to change the name of your light bulb so that you can say that name into the voices that will turn off and on your light bulb. So as it will load, and I've just named it my lamp here, and then after that, it'll be into the app. So this is what the colors look like though on the light bulb. They look very nice, and I'm very happy with the colors on this light bulb. They look very good. Alright, so now let's take a look at the app. So this is the Lampix app, and it honestly works fairly decent. You're able to turn off and on your light just by clicking on it there and clicking on power. You're also able to make schedules and work with different scenes to make some colorfuls. You also have white light, and you're able to make it warmer or make it cooler and change the brightness of that white light. also have a color feature where you're able to just make it one color or give it a breathing effect. You're also able to lower the white in the color, make the white more present in the color. You can also change the brightness of the color. So as I've said, these light bulbs are $45 on Amazon right now, amazon.ca. On amazon.com, I think you can pick them up as well. I don't know if they're on sale, but links to the products will be featured in the description down below and in the comment section. You guys are following me on Instagram also, so that you never miss any posts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. By the way, I will be doing a face reveal at 50 subscribers. But other than that, guys, please make sure you like the video and subscribe with post notifications turned on so you never miss any future content. Have a great day.